When the first settlers arrived over 1,000 years ago, they found warm geothermal pools perfect for bathing, relaxing, and swapping gossip. And to be honest, not a lot has changed. So I am making a stop at Iceland's oldest swimming pool. And I'm meeting local Elma, who has spent a lot of time tracing the roots of Icelandic identity, starting with her family tree.
I've tried to trace my family history and I can go back maybe 3 or 4 generations, but there's something different here, right?
Yeah. I think my father actually traced well more than 1,000 years back.
1,000 years?
Yeah. It's a hobby for many Icelandic people, so I think we have a lot of registrations, church books where everything was written down. Very valuable information regarding where we come from.
That is kind of extraordinary, though, that you have a country of people who all understand how they're interconnected with one another.
On a remote island with a shared ancestry, no one asks if you're related, just how recently.
I'm not suggesting that, you're cousins with everybody in Iceland. But in a way you sort of are.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm related to my husband.
Are you?
Yeah.
I mean, if you do end up marrying your second cousin, third cousin, fourth cousin, does it have the same sort of stigma attached to it?
Well, second, yes, but fourth, no. I mean, how could we? We would just all be walking in shame, wouldn't we? I mean, people check.
Do they?
Yeah.
How?
It's the Icelandinga book, the book of Icelanders.
It is named after a medieval saga of family lineages, which is fitting since it now contains over 1 million of them. Launched in 2003, it is a publicly available database that gives Icelanders the ultimate ancestry cheat sheet.
So, okay, if I just write my husband.
In a country this size, it doesn't take much. A name, a birthday, and suddenly you have mapped out a whole bloodline.
So your father, and then back 1 generation, 2 generations,
Yeah.
but 8 generations back, you share ancestors.
Yeah.
Wow. So actually, in the 1800s, you shared a relative. It's not that long ago,
No.
but enough that you don't need to worry about your genetics.
Absolutely.